Ever wondered why the moon seems to play hide and seek with us every month? Well, tonight's the start of a brand new lunar cycle, marking the beginning of a fascinating journey that's as old as time itself. It's a new moon phase, which means the moon is just starting to peek out from behind the curtain of darkness, though it's still too shy to show much of itself, only 1% illuminated, according to NASA's daily moon observation. But here's where it gets intriguing. This subtle sliver of light is the first step in a 29.5-day dance between the Sun, Moon, and Earth, a cosmic ballet that gives us the ever-changing faces of our lunar companion. What's happening tonight? As of Wednesday, October 22, 2025, the Moon is in its waxing crescent phase. This delicate crescent is barely visible, but it's a promise of brighter nights to come. And this is the part most people miss: the Moon's phases aren't random, they're a predictable cycle caused by the Moon's orbit around Earth. We always see the same side of the Moon, but the angle of sunlight hitting it changes, creating the illusion of different shapes in the sky. But here's where it gets controversial. Some ancient cultures believed the Moon's phases held mystical powers, while modern science explains it all with geometry and physics. Which perspective resonates more with you? Let's dive deeper. When will the Moon finally steal the show? Mark your calendars for November 5, 2025, that's when the next full moon will light up the night sky. Until then, the Moon will gradually grow brighter, transitioning through phases like Waxing Gibbous and First Quarter, each with its own unique charm. Understanding the 8 moon phases. 1. New Moon. The Moon is hidden, sandwiched between Earth and the Sun, leaving us in the dark, literally. 2. Waxing Crescent. A tiny sliver of light appears on the right side, if you're in the northern hemisphere, signaling the Moon's return. 3. First Quarter. Half of the Moon is lit, creating a perfect half-circle shape. 4. Waxing Gibbous. More than half is illuminated, but it's not quite a full moon yet. Think of it as the Moon's almost there phase. 5. Full Moon. The entire face of the Moon is bathed in sunlight, a sight that's both breathtaking and symbolic of completion. 6. Waning Gibbous. The light begins to recede from the right side, marking the Moon's gradual retreat. 7. Third Quarter, or last quarter, another half moon, but this time the left side is lit, as if the Moon is taking a bow. 8. Waning Crescent. The thin, fading sliver of light clings to the left side before the Moon disappears again, only to start the cycle anew. Here's a thought-provoking question to ponder. If the Moon's phases are entirely predictable, does that take away from their beauty, or does it make them even more awe-inspiring? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's keep the conversation glowing as bright as a full moon.